we are at a new spot. It looks kind of cool, like we have a deck. We're at the Four Seasons RV park. So here's the motorhome, the truck. And then we had our pick of spots, this spot and another spot, and I'll show you the spot across the way because you can see it. But that one didn't have space, and so I was like, well, this one's kind of cool. It has like a big deck. Obviously it was like for a big fifth wheel was here for a while. Because it has this like giant drop off. But that's up to the swamp. So up there, just past the trees is the freeway, so that's the 15. And like there's like this swampland and there's some frogs. And you can spiderweb. Yuckers. Anyway, you can really hear them. Like they get so loud at night. It's crazy. We haven't seen any, but we don't let Tui out. Anyway. Okay. So let me zoom in. I mean, it's kind of cool. So, right there, you can see it, is spot 20. And that was one of the ones that we were offered. And it's kind of cool. It has a little deck, which is kind of cool, but there's no parking. So, like the truck and the motorhome wouldn't have fit. And we're not trying to park somewhere else that has way too much stuff that he's either got to pack in or not want to worry about, you know, anybody taking. So, we saw this spot. It was quite the fiasco trying to figure out which spot was ours, first of all, because it was dark when we got here. There's like some steps. Swampland. I mean, you can hear the freeway pretty decently. It's kind of loud. Anyway, here's the thing. Our hookups are over here. But yeah, it's definitely interesting. I mean, we could sit out here. We're just gonna stay. Actually 14 days total. I just called her and told her we wanted to stay again. It's our spot. It's not bad. These people still have a Christmas tree. You can see it in the back there. It's nice and cool here, so we don't have to turn the air conditioning on. But yeah, that's where we're at. It's not too bad. So got a lot of groceries we gotta go in and put away. I have a little grocery haul for you. Went to Trader Joe's and Sprouts, and I thought, well, I would show you what we buy from both of those places. Living in an RV, because sometimes I think people think it's different. So let's start with Trader Joe's, because I have some things that have got to go in the freezer. So we got the soup dumplings, we got pork and chicken, then we got some tempura shrimp. We haven't tried these yet, so we thought whatever. The little mini hold the cones. I haven't tried these, but I have been influenced, and they're supposed to be very good and like the perfect amount of you know, sweetness and not too much, blah blah blah. We each had one of these on the way home from the store because we were hungry, and these are the ice cream sandwiches. Vanilla ice cream sandwiched between chocolate chip cookies and rolled in mini chocolate chips. They were divine. Then we got some New Zealand organic cheddar cheese, and then some organic turkey breast for some sandwiches. This sounded good. This country potatoes with green beans and mushrooms. Sounds tasty. As a side dish, broccoli, because you can never go wrong with broccoli. And then some vegetable fried rice. And then the Mandarin orange chicken. So I hear that's fabulous. We haven't tried it. Then I got the peppers and onion little blend here, so we could just throw that into stuff. We got this roasted corn before. It is fabulous. So we got that again. And then I hear their mashed potatoes are great. And I love mashed potatoes, so I got this frozen bag of mashed potatoes and it has really good ingredients in it. So I thought, what the heck? That's the frozen stuff. Now for the not frozen stuff. You have to excuse me. I came from work. I didn't try to look cute today. Got some of this lavash bread, good for sandwiches, pizzas. These are good. The organic corn chip dippers are like Fritos, but better. A big old bunch of green bananas because we like them green and not yellow. Some olives, green olives stuffed with garlic. Some peppercorn grinder. Some garlic powder because for some reason I just had minced garlic, dried minced garlic. Some organic jasmine rice because you can never have too much rice. Yikes. And then a salmon rub seasoning. I looked at this last time and I didn't buy it, and we have salmon in the freezer. So we're going to put this in my spice rack over there, and it's going to be just aesthetic. Any Hoosers on to Sprouts. I forgot this. This is the drive-through red. I got this for Dale on a whim because it has a bus on it and he loved it. So every time we go to Trader Joe's, we get him a 6-pack of the beer. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's an ale, so if that's your thing, you might want to give it a try. Just a suggestion. Okay, Sprouts. We had this last night with dinner and it was fabulous. So the organic mac and cheese, aged cheddar, some more dates because we were about out. I want to make some tacos, so I got some organic non-GMO corn tortillas, baby red potatoes, baby yellow potatoes, I'm mixing a whole wheat flour because like I don't have enough on my plate. I want to make a sourdough starter. I started making sourdough bread and they say to use whole wheat. And then I saw these 2 teas, just iced tea, and it's half tea, half lemonade, and then a honey green tea because we are we love these. It's the peach green tea lemonade from Starbucks. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. I want to make my own if I can find the peach tea or peach juice. Okay, and then I'm running out of room. Some organic butternut squash. Some more organic free-range chicken because these are wings. I had gotten some wings for Dale in the freezer, but it's not enough, so I had to get more. So I'm gonna put these in the freezer right away. Okay. And then Dale loves this wild sauerkraut. It's just cabbage and salt and it ferments. Not my jam. Some more of this Greek feta. Really like that in my eggs. Got some of this pink salted pasture raised butter. And then because we're on the hunt for like the perfect organic cheese, organic mozzarella, smoked Gouda, some more grass-fed ground beef, and then some more eggs. Dale's gonna work on the truck this weekend. Has to replace the starter. Anywho, so just in case like we're not gonna go anywhere like Saturday, we figured we might as well get groceries in case, like he doesn't have to hurry to get the truck, the starter put back in, because it's really a pain in the butt to do. Like you gotta take the tire off and all kinds of shit. It's a pain. Some 2 red and 1 orange bell pepper. Big giant red onion because they didn't have any smaller ones. 2 zucchini. 2 things of garlic because I got a new garlic chopper thing I want to try out. 3 Roma tomatoes. and 4 giant avocados, and they're going to be absolutely perfect, and it sucks that I'm allergic to them. So I might have a slice of one and then just itch for the rest of the day, but 100% worth it because those look pretty tasty. I gotta find my... And then I got 4 of these Mountain Valley spring waters. Dale loves it. If you've been around a while, you know I don't like it. Dale loves it. So I got him that. And then I got a gallon of just regular spring water for coffee, rice, and whatnot. I don't use our water for anything that like the would absorb it. So rice, I boil pasta in it, that's fine. But you know, anything where we would actually kind of like be consuming it, just because, I don't know, it hasn't always been ours and I don't know what's in it. So that's our little grocery haul. Quite a bit for a little motorhome.
2 days later.
We're working on our door. This is our bathroom door, like you can probably see in there. Anyway, this is the hole, because the latch, whatever, that was here didn't work. So we got a new one. And here's what, because I mentioned it in another video and there were questions, but this is the latch that Dale put on. So it just goes up, the door opens, you close it, and then put the door, I'm trying to look for the camera, it goes back down. And it's real easy to do from both sides. So I like it, and then it keeps the door like solid, like in there. So this is just gonna be a dummy handle. So we got these like glass ones, and there's a plate. So yeah, it's gonna look real good from there we go, there's a different shot once it's done. So it's the little things. Yeah. And then last night we did these clear handles for our kitchen drawers. So I did 3. There's over here, but we have to get under here to get the tools, so you can't see that one. And then of course we have all of the knobs. We've done those in clear. They have to come off when we paint, but nevertheless they're there for now, and it looks better. I like it like that to begin with, so we're happy. It's the aftermath of the rain. Got stuff all over our deck. And the water's like really running. There was a goose yesterday. There she is. Finally, the sun's out.